Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is intraday for Nasdaq. We're gonna see what do we have today in this intraday video. So basically on Nasdaq, we mentioned that we are looking for a potential wave 4 here, 0.23 to be hit, and we hit it, and potentially we see kind of like a rejection. However, a wave 4 here as a wave 2, of course, timing, it doesn't reflect. Right, it doesn't reflect it so greatly here. I mean, this is of course still potentially a part of a wave 4, so basically it can be an A, B, and a C, and then moving toward the upside, because the wave 2 here is very long in time. And if we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished wave 3, we're looking for wave 4. It can be even a triangle and then moving for higher. However, very nicely hit, of course, for the 0.23 here. And we see, of course, something corrective, not something bearish or something impulsive, which is, of course, a signal of 3 waves here, and potentially can be 3 waves up, 3 waves down for triangle, or it can be, of course, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then, of course, an impulse downward. But preferably, of course, this impulse downward never reach the 24K750. Now, what is a possibility to move for higher directly? Of course, there is a possibility to move higher directly, which is, of course, a formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, extension for this wave 3, meaning we did not finish again this wave 3, and it is still, of course, unfolding as a new impulse wave 5. A signal for this, of course, you would like to see here something very impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, taking the all-time high, meaning 5 waves up, 3 waves down, continuation, breaking the high, simply confirmation for higher. Very simple, the same famous confirmation for any kind of bullish scenario here, or uptrend unfolding, of course, for higher prices. That was it for Nasdaq. Let's take a look at the S&P. Wow, S&P even, of course, it looks much more confirmed here for a new high. Very nice. So basically, S&P even confirming, of course, higher prices here, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 1, wave 2, and we're looking already toward the upside. The confirmation has been given. We're looking here for an extended wave 3. Very likely that you might be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 already toward the upside. And that because, as you can see, as S&P, we did not even reach the 0.23, meaning, okay, definitely we're looking for higher in an extension for the US 500 here. Targets taken from the wave 1 here to the wave 2, we're looking for the 1.618 potentially. Or you know what, before this, let's look at the ABC zigzag. Let's see the 1-to-1 fib level first, and if broken, of course, we are looking, I'm gonna keep the 1.618 as well. I'm gonna keep this because if broken, definitely we're looking for the 6,800 directly in a wave 3. So let's watch this key level. Of course, we're moving there potentially. And of course, if broken, we're moving to 6,800 for the S&P, and of course, for the Nasdaq as well, looking for higher potentially. I think the things might unfold the same as for S&P here. That was it for Nasdaq and SPX. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. And see you in the next one. Bye-bye.